Yes, your girl is too hype because we got this bomb synthetic unit, bomb hairline, bomb little curls or crinks or whatever you want to call it, and some bomb color. All in the 30s, okay? And she is super easy to get together, and that's the best part. So I'm gonna need you to hold up, sit down, and watch how we gonna get it done. So this unit, y'all, is only $30-something, and it is linked on my Amazon storefront. So check the description box for the direct link. It is from Freetress Equal, okay? It's cherry and a beautiful cherry light color. Now this unit is definitely doing it for me, okay? It has some beautiful lace on it and the regular basic cap construction on the inside. Now I'm gonna let you know that this unit is definitely beginner friendly, so you do not have to be afraid, and she's very easy, perfect for the everyday. Now she does have ear to ear lace. She's definitely big head friendly, and she has a bomb hairline, okay? So I am not mad at it. Now I'm gonna cut around my ears first. I find when I do that, it makes laying the wig down way easier because you kind of set the foundation on where you gonna have that wig sitting for the rest of the time. You already know zigzag motions when it comes to cutting this lace. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. So I'm gonna go ahead and tint it with some makeup. You could use whatever you want, girl. Powder is the easiest and quickest way. I'm gonna set it with my setting spray, and I'm gonna top it off with some hairspray so that makeup stays exactly where I put it, okay? Beeswax is your girl's best friend. Y'all know you can use a wax sticks or whatever, but sometimes I take it back to the basic and I use what I got on hand. And beeswax always gets the job done when it comes to molding and setting the hair and kind of getting it to, you know, sit the way you want it to sit. So beeswax can't go wrong, and it smells good. I love me some more beeswax. So I'm gonna dip into this parting space, okay? So I'm gonna use some good old concealer, and I'm gonna go ahead and get that parting space right. I find that concealer does an amazing job, y'all, an amazing job at making it look realistic. But the trick is to use some powder and set it as you would do your face, so it's not creamy and smudgy. After you add your powder, you go ahead and set that baby like you would do on your face. I mean, makeup is makeup, so you gotta treat it as such. Now, I switch up my techniques from time to time. I'm not going to sit here in front and act like I do it one way all the time. You got to do what works for you. But I'm going to let y'all know this parting space was already amazing. I didn't have to pluck it. That hairline looks good. I mean, they give us like a frontal effect hairline. You feel me? And this ain't even a frontal. So I'm going to go ahead and finish cleaning this parting space up. And, you know, just finish the last little few touches. When I tell you that this wig is easy, girl, it is super easy. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. As you can see, there's a big difference, So this unit has an amazing color. I just absolutely love the way this color looks up against my skin, y'all. So if you're looking for some color, definitely try it out. And what makes it even better for the people who be like, you know, I don't know about the color, is the dark roots, because the dark roots is gonna make it so you don't have to do too much blending at the top. Now, I didn't really want to fluff the hair out too much. I kind of wanted to use the back of the comb and use it in an upside down position to kind of smooth it out. I didn't want to fluff it out. I kind of like the defined look, y'all. I really like how it looks defined. It's really pretty. The hair is really full. It's mad soft. It's a lightweight. And no, your girl did not experience any shedding or any tangling, but that hairline looks so good, so realistic, so natural. And their lace is the bomb too, y'all. The lace is really nice. Like, your girl did not do any melting down on this unit at all. But I want y'all to comment down below and let me know your preference when it comes to these types of textures. Do you prefer it defined or fluffed out? Comment below, y'all. Let me know. Okay, do you see that hairline? But look, I'm gonna go ahead and slide that little comb up under there so you can see. Absolutely melted, and your girl is glueless. So I mean, I'm here for it. She's the bomb. And listen, you cannot blame your girl for trying. I did try to shift it around and see we kind of put it on the side and all that, but no. You're gonna have to keep this unit in the middle. But am I mad at it? No, I'm not, because she's beautiful and she's definitely giving me a whole entire look. I don't know what took so long for me to review her. She's been in my stash for over a year. But y'all gonna have to comment below and let me know what you think about Miss Cheri. But I'm gonna wrap this video up, and I will see you in another video. I'll holla.